going on, guys? This is Josh from Josh's Travel and Adventure. Today's video, I'm gonna do another unboxing. I finally got the 12.9 iPad Pro with the M1 chip. I mean, I know it's kind of a little bit, it's been out there for a while, but this is new to me, so we're gonna check it out. And really got this for to get more space and do my editing and stuff like that, whatever, on my videos. You know, I have the other iPad Pro, but only 64 gigs, so I thought I might try this out and crack it open, you know. Also, I got the UAG case. All my cases that I use is UAG. So we're gonna check this out here. So first, let's check the tablet itself. So here's the iPad Pro. It's a pretty big box. I'll cover the 512 gigs. Feels pretty heavy. Let's check it out. You guys know they have new tabs now. You don't have to go beast mode and rip it open and stuff like that, you know what I mean? iPad Pro, Apple, iPad Pro. So right now we'll just pull this tab, I guess. See what's going on. When I went out of town to Springfield, I ordered this before I went to Springfield, and it's been here since I will say Tuesday or Wednesday. I got back home today, so you know, I wanted to charge my camera up first before I did this video. So here's the tablet itself. It's pretty big. By the way, I did get the white version. The reason why I got the white version because I kind of want to match everything white. I know my phone's not white, but my watch is, and the chargers that I have and stuff like that. I'm trying to keep like a white theme or whatever. I don't know. I just like the color of it, but or silver or whatever it is. But it's nice, you know. Let's see what else is in the box. That's the side. Of course, you got your documentations. iPad Pro. Oh, this one is the, yeah, so this one is the cellular version because you get the simulation too. I need that. But, what's this side? You have the USB-C charger. This is the 20-watt charger, I think. And then you have the, it's like USB-C to USB-C. That's it. For the tablet itself, I'll go ahead and put this back. I'll put this back for now. Tomorrow I'll probably get it connected because I do have connection on the other iPad Pro, but it's not 5G. This is 5G, so before we open this up, go ahead and tear into the case that I bought. So this is the UAG case, Urban Armor gear. I have this in my other ones, and I'm gonna get I need a knife somewhere. I'm trying to go beast mode on this. This is a pretty big case, pretty big iPad. So basically similar to the case I have on the other iPad. You know, UAG feels rugged. The rubber material. You have your UAG branding or some shock stuff here, whatever, you know. Just check it out. So now for the moment we've been searching, waiting for. iPad Pro. I guess the camera is different than the iPad Pro I have. Let's check it out. Oh wow. This is so nice in the hands, guys. So you have your volume control there. I'm guessing that's for the Apple Pencil. Here's where your SIM card will be. Yeah, 2 speakers here, charging port right there. Two speakers there. And these are the, looks like the 5G antennas. Alright, let's slap this in the case right now. Alright, hold on. This is really breaking my nerves right now. I don't want to stay in. Anger levels are increasing. This don't come off this. I'm really struggle. You know what? So there you have it right here. The new iPad Pro. Got a nice weight to it. So I'm gonna set it up and tell you about it later on. Well, there you have it, guys. iPad Pro 12.9, 512 gigabyte with the M1 chip inside. That's all, guys.